So Giuseppe, what do we got going on? You gotta do a little more work on your '68 Camaro. I think you got the trunk to fit.
Yeah, I marked where the frame rails were. I marked where my holes need to be for the frame rail and all that. I just got to drill the holes.
Just pack it in
That's
today.
it. That's all I got to do.
Right.
Do me a favor. Stop at this payphone right here. I got to make a quick phone call.
Who you got to call? Who you got to call?
It's a secret. You'll find out soon.
When?
Sooner than you think.
Sooner than I think. What are you planning something? Over here, this one?
This one right here. All right.
But hurry up, okay? I don't know who you plan on calling.
Don't worry.
Make it quick.
Hey, what's up, Travis? I was just talking to Randy about the parts for the Lincoln Continental. Did they come in?
Everything for the Lincoln is in.
All right, good.
Pops is going to look like Don Cheech in
Yeah,
that
Don
car.
Cheech, right?
Yeah, a made man.
Exactly. He's going to be like a made man driving that car. All right, I'll probably stop over a little later today.
Hey, Roy, who's he talking to? Huh? Don Cheech. Don Cheech. Made man. What's he saying? Who's he talking to? Do you know? Come on,
All
tell
right,
me.
thanks, pal. Bye.
Oh.
All right.
You made your phone call?
Yeah, we're good.
Who are you calling?
I can't tell you. I told you. What do you
can't tell me. You gotta tell me.
I can't. It's gonna be a huge surprise.
You're stepping on my wallet.
Oh, by the way, Advance Auto Parts. Your parts came in.
For this?
Yep.
For the Lincoln?
Yeah.
That's who you were talking to?
I don't know.
What do you mean you don't know? That doesn't make sense. What the heck? You said Don Cheech. What are you talking to Don Cheech about? They don't even know who he is around here.
I don't know. We're gonna just have to find out.
You're screwing me up, bro.
All right, we can call it a day.
Yeah, it's about that time, you know?
Oh, yeah.
What are we doing tomorrow? You want to work on a Camaro still?
Tomorrow I'm going to get breakfast at the diner with a couple of buddies.
Okay.
And then, after that, you'll
Yeah.
meet me in the parking lot and we'll go get the parts for your Lincoln over at Advance Auto Parts. Car care month, you know.
Is that really where we're going?
Unless you want to go somewhere else, I don't know.
Are you telling me the truth?
We're just going to get parts in advance. I don't know what you're talking about.
Then why are you laughing?
I'm laughing, bro. I don't know what you're talking about.
All right, I'll see you tomorrow.
All right, I'll meet you in the
ahead.
parking lot.
See you tomorrow in the parking lot.
Unless I have a driver's license, we have to go home together.
Love is a many splendor. It's the that only grows.
How was your breakfast?
Where are you going?
What are you doing?
What are you doing? It's my question.
I thought we were going to Don Cheech.
You said that, not me.
I thought we
Said
were
it.
going to Don Cheech. I'm serious.
Yeah, I didn't say that. You did.
You were serious about that yesterday?
Yeah, it's car care month. They got good deals. That's why.
Yeah, it's car care month. I got all dressed up for nothing.
I can't believe this. I told you it's the parts we're getting. The parts.
I got all dressed up for nothing.
I know. We're not going to Don
I thought we were going. You gave me an indication we were going to go to Don Cheech.
Well, I didn't tell you to do any of
What
this.
the heck?
That's disgusting. Listen, we'll go get a coffee at the cafe later. Right now, let's go get the parts. All right?
All right, deal.
Okay. Ladies first.
Giuseppe, what are you doing?
All right, come on. Let's do a little shopping.
No, this one's mine.
What?
This one's mine.
What's the difference? It's the same thing.
This one's faster.
All right. What are you trying to go in my pocket? Back up. Yeah. There we go. What else we got?
that?
You gotta be careful, bro. This is good. That would look good on my Lincoln. How big this thing smells, bro. Look at this.
Fire rainbow.
Smell it. Oof. What?
Smells like you. What do you want? There we go. Not no mo. Do me a favor. Can you grab that box over there? See that?
Oh. What happened? Where'd he go? Oh. This?
No, I never mind.
Where's my flex pipe? Where's my flex pipe? Son of... Where'd he go? Gotta get another flex pipe. He took my flex pipe.
I don't think I took it.
Hey. What'd you take?
I didn't take it.
Took my flex pipe again. They don't have any more. Who's that?
Yeah. That's fine.
Get away from me. Who's that? They got creepers. Giuseppe! Giuseppe, where are you?
Mr. Presley, can I help you find anything specific?
No, we're okay.
This is on the cuff. Hey Travis, put this on my pad.
You got it.
See you later, pal.
See ya.
Randy, be good.
See you later.
Look out, Leroy.
Elvis has left the building.